everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 3rd to 7th of November 2025 on Monday. Nkosi plans to tie up some loose ends, unaware of Peterson's schemes against him. An unresolved matter threaten the Kgomo's happiness. Kopas visit the police station to lodge a complaint against Peterson, but find himself embroiled in an unexpected complications on Tuesday. Peterson defies order in his relentless pursuit of justice. Kwaito's action leaves Elizabeth feeling degraded. Mr. Kgomo decides to come clean to Pex about his mother on Wednesday. Mantuli makes a troubling discovery in Kwaito's bedroom. Lehasa 6 answers regarding Mkhulu Gumede's death. Koloi is deeply offended when a customer makes a negative remark about him on Thursday. Kwezi feels overwhelmed after Uncle Mangoba's revelation. Koloi is caught between holding into his dream and accepting his reality. Mantuli plea for Elizabeth to reconcile with Kwaito comes with a surprising warning on Friday. Kwezi's cover-up begins to crumble when Kopas presses her for the full truth. Koloi's dream to work as a jewelry designer takes a brutal knock that leaves him shattered. Kwaito overhears a shocking call that exposes him his mother's meddling. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.